Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use Do Not Disturb in Control Center on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. In order to use Do Not Disturb on your iPhone from the Control Center, first swipe down from the top right corner of your phone. Then you'll get to the Control Center. Then you will see this option Focus, tap on it. Then at first you will see this option Do Not Disturb, tap on it. Once you do that, Do Not Disturb mode will be turned on. Now to turn it off, again tap on the same icon, then this feature will be turned off. On the latest iOS, you can have various kind of Do Not Disturb profiles like personal, work, gym, sleep, or you can create your own by clicking on this plus icon. You can customize any way you want. You can have your own profile. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.